In this 5-minute video, we'll present CTest, a test automation tool for smartphones, including Android, iOS, BlackBerry, and Windows Mobile. CTest works on real physical devices, not emulators. There is no need for jailbreak or rooting of the devices. CTest has object identification in all methods, by native ID, by image recognition, by text recognition, and WebDOM. The same script that is recorded on one device can run then on different devices and even different operating systems. The device is locally connected to your computer. There is also available an on-site cloud configuration. There is a simple recorder that enables to create tests in minutes. And last, CTest plugs into all existing testing frameworks, including Qtp, MSTest, Test Complete, Rational, JUnit, Perl, and Python. In the next 4 minutes, we'll see how it works. First, download the free trial version of CTest to the PC. Then connect the device under test using a standard USB cable or Wi-Fi to your computer. A presentation of the real device will appear on your computer screen. Once that has happened, you can click the record button in CTest and start recording on that presentation of the real device. Let's zoom in to see how it works. So once we click the record button, we can use our mouse and keyboard to record the actions we want to do on the device. In this instance, we are recording a sequence of searching for a movie called Cars 2 in an application called IMDb on the Android device. Once we completed the actions, we click the stop button and automatically a script has been created. Each step of the test appears in a separate line, indicated the operation done on the object. An object repository as well has been created automatically. Each object is identified by 4 identification methods: image recognition, native, text recognition, and WebDOM. If we click on one of the objects, we can see the Object Properties tab. This is the image properties that enables image recognition of the object. This is the text recognition that enables identification of the object by the text. And this is the native tab. To identify an object by the native ID, we use the built-in SPY of CTest. As you see, it identifies all objects on the page and provides their native ID information. We can use that information then to plug it into the Object Properties dialog. Now that we've edited the objects and the script, we can click the play button and see how CTest now runs the test on the real device, a presentation of which appears on your computer screen. Once the test has been executed, we can see a report that includes step-by-step with screenshots of what happened in real time. We can now export this test into any test framework. The script has been automatically created in all code languages, including, for example, VBScript for Qtp. We copied and pasted the test into a Qtp test, and now you can see how Qtp directly runs a test on a real Android phone. As you can see here, the integration with Qtp is complete and Qtp is running the test directly. Once the test execution has been completed, we can see a detailed report in Qtp of each step of the test, if it failed or succeeded, and a screenshot. To run the same test on 2 devices, we simply parameterize the name of the device under test. So here you can see the first value of the parameter device name is the Android name of the device. So we can see the test running on Android, and the second one is the iOS name of the device. So now we see the same script running on the iOS device. Once the execution of this test has been completed, again we can see a detailed report of what happened during runtime in each one of these devices, the iOS and then the Android device. To sum up, with CTest you can record tests on real physical devices that are not jailbroken or rooted. You can run the same script on different devices, even from different operating systems. And you can edit, run, and view the reports in QTP MS Test, Test Complete, Rational, JUnit, Perl, or Python. You can download a free trial from our website.